Good morning, beautiful people. I don't know why I'm smiling. Okay, now I realized I was smiling. Anyway, I wanted this side, my camera to be this side. Okay, there's gonna be a car passing. Let's wait. Because chiefs and stuff. What else can we say? Wait, BPC. Anyway, good morning, everybody. I have not vlogged in a while, so I decided to pick up the camera and start vlogging. So today is Sunday. It is like 9:30 right now. I'm from showering. That's why my face looks all fresh and everything. Anyway, my face is coming back to life and I love that. So we love to see that. Anyway, let me stop being a nuisance. Anyway, so what's this? What's going on there, guys? Yeah, what's going on in my life? I'm about to do my bed, then sweep and mop, and then put back my mat, and then study. I think I'm going to be montaging all of that throughout. That's why I did this intro. So wait, let's go over them again. I'm going to make my bed. Then I'm going to mop. Wait, I'm going to sweep and mop. And then we're going to study. Wait, I also want to wash my brushes, like not my brushes, but my combs. We have to wash my combs, study, go to Bara's room, get laundry soap. Is that how you do it? How you say it? And then wash my socks. And then this vlog might end there. I might be a weirdo. Oh my god. Anyway, guys, but I hope you guys enjoy this video as much as I don't know if I'm going to enjoy doing it, but it's more of a Sunday reset and I just want to do things that people do on Sundays. My laundry is dirty. I cannot wash it today, unfortunately, but I also need to like pick out like outfits that I can wear this week from the clothes that are already there, and then see which days I'm gonna miss class, because there's no way I'm wearing some of these clothes because I haven't worn them in like months. So some clothes you don't really just want to wear them, you just want to look at them in the closet, and that's cute. But anyway, it looks so cute and stuff. This one I just can't really say. So let's make a thumbnail. It's dirty. Let's make a thumbnail. Oh, by the way, my subscriber count is increasing and I'm very grateful for that. You guys are amazing. If you're new to this channel, my name is Omphithetse. I realized that I did not introduce myself. I do not know why I'm like this. I'm so sorry. I do not know why I'm like this. Also, someone told me that I'm funny, and by the way, Trevor Noah was found shaking because I am a funny human being. I am so funny. I'm funny as hell. I'm funny. I'm not gonna laugh, but I'm funny. So yeah. Also, I haven't vlogged I haven't vlogged all these days because I've been in my girls and I've been feeling myself. Oh my goodness, my skin, you guys. Like I only have like these things left, but like everything else perfect. Perfect. Oh, so this, I don't know what that is, but everything else perfect. Let me love and leave you guys. Did my hair and I'm going to my brother's room right now. I think I'm going to show you guys like a clip of me doing my hair. You guys, I just finished doing my hair. The fact that I did it myself has to count for something because it really doesn't really look that cute, but I did it myself. Take it in, take it in. And then how the end result is, it's not looking as good as if someone was doing it for me. Like that would be easy because the person would be seeing the lines and stuff, but considering that I did it myself, it actually looks cute. I don't know if I'm going to end the video here, but let me just say this is the last time I'm going to be talking to you guys, so I'll see you guys on my next video tomorrow. The the fact that Vlogtober is almost over is actually frustrating, but I like that. But I'm so tired, nigga, I'm tired. People are actually looking at me right now. There are not a lot of people, but I'm sure people are looking at me wondering what the hell is going on. But yeah, I'll see you guys. Oh my goodness, I saw something move. Oh, okay, it's just, we live in a zoo in the school, okay? Like, when I say a zoo, I mean this. It's just that not a lot of them today, but on normal days there are a lot of them. Anyway, there's a couple sitting in front of me, so I'm just gonna say goodbye. Thank you guys for watching. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. I'll see you guys on my next one. Guys, I know I said I was ending the video there, but I can't, because I just realized you guys are probably seeing me wearing this jersey like for the 700th time, and it's like, oh my god, 700 times, what the hell, boy, I don't want to be there.